Welcome back to another ride, guys. It's a special one. It's my birthday. Oh, that was slippy. What an opener. If you like this kind of riding and you've not done yet, please subscribe. You know what to do. Oh, that's low. Don't want to get wet. It's not my birthday. Oh, I stepped up. Yeah, birthday wheelie! Oh, we got a turn soon. Oh, I gotta put it down. I'll talk you through what I do on this stage here. Always on the pegs. Ride the bank high. Push the bike in here. Oh, don't go in that rut. Oh, we're gonna come together. Try and stay a nice steady throttle. This is a real loose surface. Ow! Not shaking. Yeah, the surface is really loose, so you kind of just want to be soft with the throttle. And any turning, braking. Both the boys in front on Husqvarna 300 TPI. Well, I'm on a 300, but it's got more strokes and more torque. Sorry TPI lovers, but your beloved TPI is no torque. So fast! There's a corner somewhere. Oh, I'm standing up on my pegs, sitting down now. Standing up braking, sitting down. Standing up again. Back brake, front brake, everything. Foggy section. Oh, big puddle. Oh, we've gone in hot. I always get caught out by that one. How are you there? How are you there? I know that really well. Watch out for the puddles. Back, avoid that one. You've got to look really forward on this stuff. Oh, that's a chunk. So I'm looking as far ahead as I can. And you've got to trust that your body, the stuff that you're just about to hit, your body's naturally going to deal with it. So just keep on looking forward at what's coming next. This is a hard, rocky up climb. So my weight is all around the back, leaning back. Oh, rocky. Line choice is quite important. Keeping the revs quite low. And any big rock I see, I'm bouncing the bike before it to de-weight the bike when it hits it. That's cool. Oh no. Whoa, that was deep. Good brake for that one. This is sketchy. Oh, I hope that's got grip. Oh! Just go for it, you fucking faggot. Okay. Jesus! Happy birthday! I think my back wheel fell off the... Oops. Oh, new trail. Sorry, bike. The swap. And let's try catching. Oh, this is a bad one. Stand up, let the bike move back and forward all at once. Oh, the sun's on my back. What a nice day. That looked deep. So I'm trying to ride out the ruts if I can. If they look deep, I'm going to ride around them. I'm in a standard aggressive position, crouched over the bike, elbows bent and knees bent, and dodge everything that comes towards you. Oh no, this looks really wet. We're behind the worst person, so I'm going to go up high, stay out the puddles. Oh, I fell into it. I'll cross back now if I can. Stay on the top. Yeah. Quite low power on the bike. The 4-stroke's got such torque you can just have it on tick over most of the way and still get where you're going with traction. Oh, thought we were going to get covered then. I'm going to try and go separate lines in case you get stuck. Every time my back wheel spins, it's like really loose, so I'm just tucking up here, so I'm in fourth now. God, that's loose. Just as loose as he is. Same fourth gear, the bike's pulling. That's what I really like about the 4-stroke. 2-stroke, you hit the power band and spin, and then you'll be pointing. Well, God knows where you've been pointing. You go for it, I'm going to go just to the left of you. Mate, just fucking send it. Give it some goose power.
Do I need to be sending it before the bog?
No, after. But go pretty quick at it. It's not a big bog.
What's the worst that happened? Wearing these and put the bike down?
Yeah.
And slide down?
It's not wearing these, Steve.
Nah.
There's nowhere near it.
Go on, goose baby. Oh, go on. Oh God. I thought you were going to flip so many times. Yeah, boy. We literally just said to him, it's quite rutty, so be careful. He's got a tendency just to ride straight over and through everything he sees. It's quite hard to get into his head. head because it must be such a weird phenomenon to stand up on a bike while you're riding. Going from road bike, you can't really stand up doing 180. So coming down on these ruts, I point my feet in quite a bit. Just stay really alert and hold the bike loose, if that makes sense. I'm not really holding on with my hands very tight. My hands are very loose on the bars. Again, just use the power of the bike. We're just tickling along. You don't need to be in the power band or valve bouncing your way across this kind of stuff. Oh, Ralphie! So there's a real rough, rutty bit coming down here now, and I'm going to go through the middle, standing up, in quite an aggressive position, and just let the bike move in and stuff. The rut's grabbing my bike there, but I'm just letting them do it. Stay central on the bike, on the tips of your toes, and let the bike wobble around, it's fine. If you panic, that's when you're going to go down. You're going to grab a handful of front brake and then you're screwed. So stay in the rut, and we're done. Just like that. Coming up here, that looks soft. Oh, he's going to jump this, definitely. Found a nice little obstacle, but the boys are scared about the subframes. Oh, I mean, 10 out of 10 for dismount. That's a good dismount.
Gently down.
How did it stay upright so long? Second gear, I would.
Didn't get it enough, did I?
Second gear, hit it faster. Checking his subframe. So you want to come in with a bit of speed, compress there, let the bike come up to you. When you compress, flip. So, yeah, nice. Oh, he's sitting far back. Oh, nearly. Right, I'll show you how the 4-stroke does it. So, compress. If I can move that rock, I'm going to go up that. If it moves, we're doing it. Oh, we're doing it. Yeah, boy. We have to suck that up a lot with our legs. Oh no. Oh. We've come to the end of another brilliant ride. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're not subscribed, please do. Oh, that's slick. So you can watch me crash.